Want to get more email subscribers but your lead magnets aren't converting? Switch to a quiz. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a high converting lead magnet using Typeform as a complete beginner, even if you have never created a quiz before. For example, let's say I'm in the self-improvement niche. This is a sample quiz that I created, so you can answer these questions as you can see right there. So our client will answer these questions. Then from there, remember this is a lead magnet, so we need to collect their information. So I'll quickly collect their information. So they'll fill in their name, number, and also email address. Then select OK, and they'll continue with filling out the questions. After filling out the questions, so this will be the final question. From here, I'll be able to put them into different groups. So I have two offers. The first option will be the higher tier. They'll be redirected to my calendar link. And the lower tier, they'll be redirected to my website. And from there, I'll hope that they'll be able to purchase a PDF or so on. And we'll retarget them with ads in the future. So for example, let's say you were to select $2,000, then tap on submit. From there, you'll be able to book a call with me on my calendar, as you can see right there. So that's how you'll be able to set it up, and that's how you'll be able to also add different outcomes. And I'll be showing you how to do that step by step as a complete beginner. The first thing you want to do is tap the link in the description where I have the Typeform link, and from there you'll be able to try out Typeform for completely free, and it will also help to support the channel. So you'll go onto Typeform, then you're just going to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner, and you can fill in your email address and basic information. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, you're going to tap on create new form in the top left hand corner. Then depending on the niche you're in and the type of lead magnet that you'd like to create, you can quickly fill it in right here. Keep in mind, it doesn't matter the questions that they suggest, you'll just tap on apply, as you'll be able to change the questions in the future. So for example, this is a sample quiz that I quickly created. So you can see I'm in the self-improvement niche. So I'll be offering a self-improvement ebook. And if I were to tap on preview, you can quickly see how it looks. So they'll tap on get my ebook. After you have done that, would you consider yourself highly motivated? They can select it. Then from there, they'll type in their name. Select OK. Then you'll fill in your email address. Then you'll select OK. After you have done that, how much time do you spend working on yourself daily? And you can do that. Then they'll select submit. And from there, they'll be redirected to my website or the final link that I want. Now, I'll be showing you how to add different outcomes. To do this, you're going to go over to the bottom left-hand corner, and you're going to see the option ending. You're going to tap on the plus, and from there, you have a few options. You can either select redirect to URL, and from there, you'll be able to, for example, put in your website link or your booking link. And you also have the option to tap on the plus. You could just put end screen, and you can put the basic end screen, which would look like this. And you can also tap on the plus, and you could tap on redirect URL once more, and you can put in, for example, booking links and different links. So I have two options right here. The first thing would be the website link. The second option would be the regular end screen. And I'm going to delete this. Now we're going to tap on workflow from the top navigation bar. After selecting workflow, we're going to be selecting, for example, let's say this question 4, and I'm going to be adding a logic. So let's say, for example, how much time do you spend working on yourself? Let's say if someone were to select that, we'll be redirecting them to our website, and we're going to tap on add rule. And let's say, for example, if they were to select I go to the gym, we would redirect them to the website. And all other cases we'll redirect them to the end page. So you can select that right there. You can also add other conditions, so we could tap on add conditions. And let's say, for example, if they were to select none at all or I don't have time, you would like to also redirect them to the website. So that's how you'll be able to create different logics or different end results. And you'll just tap on save. After you have done that, you can tap on share in the top right here, and you'll be able to share it. And the beautiful thing about Typeform is you can also create automations. So for example, after doing this, you could select forms. Then from the top left-hand corner, you could select automations. After selecting automations, you can see sample automations that you can choose from. So you could tap right here, high quality leads nurture, and you can see how it would look. So once you have collected the person email address, you could choose to send them an email. Then from there, you can choose what you would like to do next. So you can see different options. So you could quickly set up an automation. Keep in mind to create an automation using Typeform and to also integrate your different email providers, you'll need to go onto the paid plan. And their paid plan is actually quite affordable, and I would say it is definitely worth it. So you can see right here, depending on the amount of responses you're expecting, you can see 1,000 responses per month would be $50. So it all depends on the amount of responses you're expecting. But this would be a good option for you to vet your leads. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.